Hello everyone, myself Sujit Sanjay Patil, faculty Shri Jain Vidya Prasarak Mandals, Rasiklal M. Dhariwal, College of Pharmacy, Chinchwad, Pune. In this video, we are going to discuss about Introduction to Autonomic Nervous System. Contents. After watching this video, students will able to explain drug affecting autonomic nervous system, the cholinergic neuron, the adrenergic neuron, receptor types and location of receptor. Drug affecting autonomic nervous system. The autonomic nervous system are divided into two groups according to the type of neuron. The cholinergic drugs act on receptor activated by acetylcholine. The adrenergic drugs act on receptor stimulated by norepinephrine or epinephrine. The cholinergic neuron. All preganglionic fiber of both sympathetic and parasympathetic division, all parasympathetic postganglionic, few sympathetic postganglionic fibers, that is also known as sweat glands, which are also helpful or useful in the secretion of sweat. And last point is all somatic non-autonomic fibers to skeletal muscle. The adrenergic neuron. Most sympathetic postganglionic fibers release norepinephrine are noradrenergic or simply adrenergic. Some peripheral sympathetic fibers release dopamine, that is dopinergic. The adrenal medulla, a modified sympathetic ganglion, receives sympathetic preganglionic fibers and releases epinephrine, that is 85%, and to lesser amount norepinephrine, that is 50%, into the blood. Receptor types. Parasympathetic, that is cholinergic receptor, these are muscarinic, M1 to M5 and nicotinic receptor. Sympathetic, that is adrenergic receptors, these are of three types: alpha, that is alpha 1 and alpha 2, beta, these are beta 1 to beta 3, and dopamine, these are D1, that is dopamine 1 to D5, that is dopamine 5 receptors. Locations of muscarinic receptor. In autonomic nervous system, there are numbers of muscarinic receptor. In this particular point, we are discuss about the locations of muscarinic receptor. These receptors have been found on ganglia of PNS, that is parasympathetic nervous system. The autonomic effector organs, that is heart, smooth muscle, brain and exocrine glands. The M1, that is gastric peripheral cell, M2 cardiac cell and smooth muscles, and the location of M3 receptor, that is muscarinic receptor, is bladder, exocrine gland and smooth muscles. These three are M1, M2 and M3. These are the locations of muscarinic receptor. Neurons. All five subtypes, that is M1 to M5, have found on neurons. Mechanism of ACH, that is acetylcholine signal transduction. M1, M3 and M5 interact with G protein designated GQ, which in turn activates phosphopolyphase C. This leads to the hydrolysis of PIP to to yield IP3-DAG, which cause an increase in intracellular calcium. These cations can then interact to stimulate or inhibit enzymes or cause hyperpolarization, secretion or contraction. M2 stimulate a GI, that is gastrointestinal tract, that inhibits adenylyl glycase and increase potassium conductance. Nicotinic receptor NNNM. After the location of muscarinic receptor, we are discuss about nicotinic receptor. Locations of nicotinic receptors are located in central nervous system, adrenal medulla, autonomic ganglia, neuromuscular junction. So these are the locations of nicotinic receptor. Mechanism of action. Ligand-gated ion channel binding of two acetylcholine molecules elicits a conformational change that allows the entry of sodium ions, resulting in the depolarization of the effector cells. Nicotinic initially stimulate and then blocks the receptor. Cholinergic neurotransmission, synthesis, storage, release, binding, degradation, recycling of choline. Thank you.